So the manager of a furniture factory finds that it costs $2,200 to manufacture 100 chairs in one day and $4,800 to produce 300 chairs in one day. So part A, express the cost as a function of the number of chairs. So when I see that, the X is what? And the Y is the cost. Whatever the function is your Y value. Did you guys use X and Y? I think everybody did for your variables. I didn't tell you otherwise. So if we have two ordered pairs. So 100 chairs cost $2,200. 300 chairs cost $4,800. So now we need the slope. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Everybody get 13. Now we need a y-intercept. So we're going to take one of the points and our slope, plug in y equals mx plus b. Subtract that over, so we get 900. So our equation is y equals 13x plus 900. Look like we all got that part. B, interpreting the slope. I'm wanting a sentence. So if we think of the slope as a fraction, the top were those y values. What were the labels on those y's in the problem? 4,800, 2,200, those were dollars. A division is like a per, and the denominator, my 100 and my 300, those were chairs. So what it means is it costs $13 to produce one chair, where the cost is $13 per chair. C, I asked you to interpret the y-intercept. So y-intercept is when x equals 0. So if no chairs are produced, the cost is what? 900. Our y-intercept was 900. If you plug a 0 into your equation, you get 900 out. Why would it cost us money even if we're not making anything? Supplies. Maybe it's rent for the space that you're doing it, or advertising costs, or startup costs, whatever those might be. You know, if I were going to start a business and I'm going to start selling cupcakes, then I have to have some kind of materials before I can do that. So even if I don't make any cupcakes, I have costs associated with just starting that. So that would be the $900 here. Any questions over this? Okay, so I have a handout. Towards the end of class, we're going to take a little time and fill out a unit circle as well.